Look, guys, I hope I get him. Look, guys. Look. I hope I got him. I can't see him. Ted, no. I hope I got him, guys. Boy, I've been looking for that. They made no noise. They just showed up. There's an airplane up there. I see nothing in my eyes, guys. See what I mean about them? I hope and pray. Look at sunrise over there, guys. I didn't zoom. I didn't have time. I ran over here. Ted, no. Sunrise. That's facing east. That's which way the birds were going. Gosh, I hope I got that. I had the camera sitting here just all ready. Gosh, I hope I got that. Lots of videos going out. Busy, busy, busy. My back hurts, so I'm home, and it's just so busy with the critters. So, hope you're enjoying it all. I'm out. I hope we got that.